Alright, this is my garden. Hey guys, we are talking about super accessible cloth diapering options today for the 2020 Flats and Hand Washing Challenge. So today I'm going to show you a variety of different products that you can use in your cloth diaper setup that are super easy to find, super affordable, as well as easy to launder and wash. And that's part of the conversation that we're having this week with the Flats and Hand Washing Challenge is affordable, accessible, and easy to launder. So let's check out what I've got. So the first part of any diaper is some sort of absorbent material. This is what is going to capture the pee as well as any liquid poop. So a flat is how we're going to do that. And when I say flat, a lot of people think that you have to go to the store and purchase some sort of material, but you don't necessarily. There are flats made by cloth diaper brands around the world that can be bought from cloth diaper brands and cloth diaper retailers. These materials are often hand selected to be absorbent, easy to care for, and just the right size. They come in a variety of sizes, and this one is from Kazi, and it's 100% cotton. This is one of my favorite styles of flat diaper. It's made out of bird's eye cotton, and it's super easy to wash and maintain. These are about $2 or $3 each in Canada or the United States, and they can be purchased from retailers like Green Mountain, Lagoon Baby, Kazi, Nikki's Diapers, and the like. The next products are all things that you can either repurpose or recycle or make new again. And that's this handful of goodies. So one of the first things that you can use is any sort of blanket. So this is some sort of receiving blanket. It's actually by Addon and Adis, but what you're looking for, and this is the key with all repurposed and upcycled products, is you want something that is 100% cotton. So read this little tag and check that out. This is really big and would be really bulky and really absorbent for your baby. So this one I would probably cut into fourths if I don't need this much absorbency. That trend of blankets, you can also repurpose any 100% cotton flannel receiving blankets. These can be bulky if they're really big, but they are incredibly dense and incredibly absorbent, and they're a great choice for many families. The next item in my pile is a tea towel. So this is actually from IKEA. This is a Tekla towel, but what I was looking for when I was in IKEA was on the back for it to say 100% cotton. So you want 100% cotton, maybe 90%. You want it to be 100% natural fiber, so bamboo, hemp, or cotton. If it is made from polyester or has synthetics in it, rayon even, it can be less absorbent, less likely to mop up any messes, and less likely to work. So this is a tea towel from IKEA. It's pretty starchy and oily still in hand, so I would wash it lots and lots and lots until it would willingly clean up a mess. So that's one idea. You can also repurpose old t-shirts. So I have an adult size shirt here. This was a women's extra large, so it's really big. And I actually cut it in half. And I kept the arms because I like using the arms to tie it onto baby. But this is a great way to repurpose any shirts that you don't like to wear anymore. Or, you know what? Sometimes you can even ask at local donation centers for crash or t-shirts that they don't like anymore, or stuff from the 25-cent pile. My receiving blankets, I all scored for $1 each. Or you can also use like old baby clothes. Maybe they've got holes, maybe they're too stained, maybe you're too embarrassed to wear them. If they are 100% cotton, you are good to go. Thumbs up. The other thing that you can use is any sort of cotton terry cloth. So what I have here is a hand towel, but you could cut up old towels, you could use face cloths, or anything of the like. These are also really great boosters. So you chop them up into small little square rectangles, and they work as an exceptional booster. And these are super accessible, these are affordable, all of that good stuff. If you don't have this kind of extra stuff laying around the house, put it out there, put a feeler out there and ask. I mean, in 2020 we have so many social media, Facebook groups and Kijiji groups and spaces where we can ask, hey, are you trying to get rid of something? Do you have doesn't need to be in good condition. I'm just going to repurpose it. You don't even have to tell people what you're doing, and I would probably urge you not to, because then people are going to just get up all in your case about things, about diapering in general, which you don't need that. But yeah, so those are some super simple, easy, and affordable options that you can use to cloth diaper your child by repurposing or rehoming or reusing things. The Flats and Hand Washing Challenge will be going on all week. If you search hashtag Flats Challenge, you will find lots of great content by lots of great creators across the internet right now. We are all talking about different ways to cloth diaper. Thanks for watching. Bye.